hold on. Illegal. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I'm gonna put our illegal fireworks on YouTube.
It's very good for November, let's just go invade Poland.
No, we cannot invade Poland.
Anything more?
Yes. Poland's got too much history. That one is amazing. Them fumes gonna choke us out.